Okay guys, James here from Carbon Offroad. Now check this out. This is our new Carbon Offroad Essentials Snatch and Winch 4x4 recovery kit combo. Now offers awesome value at 249 bucks. Now you get this bag. It's a canvas style bag. Inside the bag you get a whole lot of goodies. Now let's just quickly go through what you get. First of all, get some gloves. So some of these new Carbon Offroad all-purpose gloves. You can use them for anything that you want. You don't have to just use them for recovery. You can even use them for gardening. So we'll get those out and just have a quick look at them. Yeah, they look pretty good. I like this little strap around the back there as well. They look pretty rugged. So you get those, and you get yourself a 12 ton soft shackle, which is pretty cool. Check that out. And you get a couple of bow shackles. These are a 4.25 ton bow shackle with the insulators there, so you know it just doesn't chatter around on your vehicle. Now you get two of those. So you get one, and you get another one there, and you also get these little pockets on the sides there as well. Now other than that, you also get, of course, a stubby cooler, which is pretty cool. I didn't expect to get that. A recovery ring. So this is a 10 ton recovery ring. Anodized, looks pretty flash. I like the looks of that. Tree trunk protector. So it's a 3 metre 10 ton tree trunk protector. So we'll just have a bust this open. Oh yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like the orange. The orange just looks pretty good, and you know it'd be difficult to lose it then. And then you also get a snatch strap as well. So we can just work out how to open this out with just one hand. There's an 8 ton 9 metre snatch strap. Check that out, which is pretty cool. There you go. So yeah, all in all, you get a snatch strap, you get 2 bow shackles, you get a tree trunk protector, stubby cooler, you also get a recovery ring, a pair of gloves, and a soft shackle. There you go guys, thanks for watching, cheers.